There's only one slime sipper left. Another cloud from my musha cloud squirter will shift it. Now we've scared them all away. Brilliant!
Yeah, brilliant! Stink, why is it brilliant?
Oh, because of my plan, Fungal Bungle. Those beetles won't be sipping any more slime, which means there'll be lots for us.
Brilliant! Stink, why do we need lots of slime?
Oh, because of my plan, Fungal Bungle. We're going to suck up all the slime in the musher cloud squirter to make the biggest slime cloud ever. It'll rain slime down on everyone.
Brilliant! Stink, why...
Oh, stop asking questions, Puffy, and get pumping. Hup. Ooh.
This is hard work, Stink. Have you got an easier plan?
Keep pumping.
Come on,
Huh?
this way.
Come on, Puffy, let's hide.
Right, the slime sippers usually nest around the pools just here. Oh, dearie me, they've all gone. And in a hurry by the looks of things.
Rickety, look at this. It's an egg.
But the nest's all broken. The eggs are not safe in there.
We're going to have to lend a hand here. Rangers, let's get to work repairing the nest.
Yes!
I'll try and lure the beetles back with a bit of slime.
But Rickety, what about the badges? I want a badge.
Well, I think helping the slime sippers will earn you a Friend of the Forest badge.
Yes!
Stick. Oh, Stick. Do I get my badge now?
Twigs, we have to earn our badges.
Yes, but being a friend of the forest is hard work.
Come on, Twigs.
Look at those tree-fooey rangers work.
If only we could get them to work for us.
That gives me an idea.
I had the idea.
No, I did.
Huh? Uh-oh, Rangers. I think the egg's about to hatch.
Oh, dear.
We don't know how to help it hatch. And its nest is all broken.
What do we do?
The baby beetle is doomed.
Treat food, go!